Hi everyone, I'm Anjana Tripathy and I'm a corporate trainer for the last 15 years now. I've just stepped out of a seminar in Asian College of Teachers and I must say that it was an eye-opener of a seminar. Now the topic was training, design and impactful delivery, and I'm going home with immense takeaways, wherein training, design, drawing up, constructing the blueprint and constructing the structure of how the training program will be, keeping in mind the audience that we are going to address. These are functions that we have always been into. But today I have been immensely empowered with some new tools, some brand new tools. The prominent of them would be Bloom's taxonomy and mind mapping, and then the third one would be like Kirkpatrick's model of evaluation. Now these were tools that we didn't have prior to this, and we had our own tools and they were working beautifully for the last 15 years now, as in my case. But I could see the amount of accuracy, the amount of quality they can bring to the training programs in future. So all the very best to Asian College of Teachers, and kudos and hats off to the trainer, Dr. Sanjeev Chakraborty, and the way he took us about through the session. And I think I would recommend everyone to come down once at least to Asian College of Teachers and go through this seminar and get a feel of things in the world of learning and development. Thank you so very much and have a great evening ahead.